Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with entry number 7 into my birthday challenge giveaway. This is from Alexandra. Hi Alexandra. She is on Instagram and I will make sure to leave her link in the description box below. Go and show her some love. So here is her memory decks card. She has the word friend die cut out of this panel and it's a shaker. I'm thinking you guys know that I like shakers. I love it. But I just wanted to show you the packaging. This is how the memory decks card came. Super cute topper. Thank you so much, Alexandra. This super tiny bow up here on the tab with this pink bulldog clip and a gem in the center. And you guys know I love my butterflies. So this is so super cute. Thank you so much. And she has her information on the back. Alexandra's from Florida. And her favorites are flowers, butterflies, and chipboard stickers. So thank you so much. Here is the card that she created me. I love how you guys are decorating the envelopes. That is so super sweet of you. I think she made this out of the glassine paper. The We Are Memory Keepers. There's a gift bag guide or something like that. I don't own it. But it's like waxy on the inside. So here is the card. Loving all the bright colors. She used a word die with the shadow in the back in pink with the gold foiling. Super cute chipboard candles here and a gold doily in the background. So adorable. So it says wishing you a happy birthday. And she also put some strips of the pattern paper on the inside. She did write me a note. You guys, please don't feel like you have to not write in the cards. I'd love it if you do because I will not be giving any of these away. So I really appreciate it and thank you for the really sweet note. And on top of that, she also sent some goodies. You guys are so super sweet. But inside the package were these foam glittered hearts. She sent me a super cute notepad, which I can always use. Really pretty. She also sent me some Dear Lizzie goodies, which I don't have any of these. So these clothespins with the little chipboard accents on them. Super cute, and they're already made. And then here are some rubber shapes, and I don't own any rubber shapes. They kind of confuse me a little because I don't know. I guess they're just embellishments and they're just made out of rubber, but it's something new to me. So these are super cute and actually would be probably great on some packaging. And she also sent this really cute canvas bag. It has the holly and these jingle bells at the bottom. And inside, she has this sweet necklace and it says balance. And it says serenity comes to us through balance. Wear this pendant to harmonize the many forces in your life and remind yourself that true happiness is a state of mind. So this is so super sweet. I really appreciate it and I love the message. So thank you so much, Alexandra. You really did not have to send anything extra, but it is much appreciated. Like I mentioned, I will put Alexandra's Instagram link in the description box below. Go over and tell her I said hi. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch another unveiling of an entry to my birthday challenge giveaway. Remember that there is still time to enter. It will be up until the 15th of December. So get those entries in. Make sure you watch the video if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye everyone.